Hey everyone, it's Dr. Sam Robbins. Now, I recently did some videos about vegetables, specifically about broccoli and okra, and the surprising pros and cons about these health vegetables. And I'll give you the link to all these great videos at the end of this one because I got a lot of questions and comments about them. And that's why I'm making today's video about the best vegetables you should be eating daily. And then you can also watch part 2 of this video, which is the worst vegetables you must avoid. So first, let's get started with the best vegetables. To get started, green leafy vegetables. Of course, they're great. Everyone knows this. Spinach and collard greens are one of the best. They're very high in protein too. However, you should avoid kale, and that's in my other video, the vegetables you must avoid. Now, then we want to also eat some cruciferous vegetables, which are amazing, such as broccoli and Brussels sprouts. They're high in vitamin K and vitamin C, as well as protein. Both should be steamed or lightly cooked. Then we have asparagus, also high in vitamin K and protein. It acts as a mild diuretic as well, which is good for high blood pressure. Then we have beet greens, again, very good, high in protein. Then we have garlic and onions, again, have lots of positive effects for your health. However, be mindful of your breath. Personally, I don't eat either of them because of that. Then we have celery, great for blood pressure and circulation, has pretty much almost no calories, so eat as much as you want. Then we have mushrooms, right? They have many medicinal benefits. White button mushrooms are one of the best for improving your hormones because they help lower estrogen and thus help with the prostate and breast cancer. Reishi mushrooms are also very good for your immune system, and shiitake helps fight tumors. Again, all great. However, if you have yeast or candida, which many of us do, I think you should avoid mushrooms until you get that handled due to the fact that mushrooms are a fungus. And I discuss this in further detail in my other second part 2 of this video, vegetables you should avoid. Then we have okra. Again, they have a ton of benefits, and they're really great for you. And I made an entire video about this that you can watch. Artichokes, they have lots of protein and antioxidants. However, make sure they are fully cooked and steam it for about 30 minutes on the stovetop. Then we have bok choy. Again, very good, staple of Asian foods. Just make sure that it's steamed and lightly cooked. Then we have cabbage. Now, cabbage is great, especially as sauerkraut because it has millions, if not billions, of probiotics, which is great for your gut health and overall health. So cabbage as sauerkraut is great. Then we have seaweed and sea vegetables. Again, great. The healthiest and longest living people eat foods from the sea. And then finally, we have potatoes. Now, they are vegetables and a safe source of carbohydrates. Specifically, yams and sweet potatoes are one of the best. Cook them and then let them cool in the refrigerator for about 8 hours and then reheat them and eat them. This will increase the resistant starch, which means it's better for your gut. It's less elevation blood sugar levels, which is great if you're concerned about that. And best of all, it also has less calories. And I also made a video about this as it pertains to rice as well, if you like to eat rice, and how you can actually eat more and not get as fat because that can cut the calories by 50%. Now, other types of potatoes which should be avoided, and I mentioned them in my vegetables that should be avoided video, so make sure you watch that. With that said, below this video, I have a few very important links to my other YouTube videos that I mentioned in today's video. Thanks for listening and have a happy and healthy day.